Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not today. Not here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, but in the near future. Last night, I prepared a dish from the English kitchen, potato and cheese pie. Now, I believe it's supposed to be a side dish. I gave it a few revisions and kicked it up a few notches. I added some chicken. I didn't have beans, so I added peas. And I added garlic and some herbs and some spices and turned it into a main dish. Yummy. It was really good. It's all my notes are in the recipe, which is going to be posted. Tonight, I'm kind of doing a little bit of a twist on one of my old favorites. This is some pantry cooking. Basically, it's smoked sausage with basically cabbage. Let me start that over. Smoked sausage and green cabbage sauté. I like that word, sauté. It's nice in French. This is just a fun little dish. Let's get to it. Some leftover smoked sausage from a dish I did a week or two ago will be sliced. Green cabbage, which I'll basically do a rough chop. Again, cabbage, especially green cabbage, holds in the fridge for quite a long time if you keep it in a nice airtight bag. I'm going to do some diagonal sliced carrots. That's a big carrot. Garlic, some stone ground mustard, some herbs and spices to include kosher salt, black pepper, and I believe I'm going to serve this over long grain white rice. Like I mentioned, this is just a simple little, it's more of a simmer than it is a saute. It's a saute and a simmer. But it's going to be really nice on these cold evenings. I actually saw the sun yesterday and the moon last night. Wow. It was nice. So yeah, there's that. I plan on getting all this taken care of either today or tomorrow. It's driving me crazy. So yeah. So thanks for hanging in with me with all this. Like I said, it's Taco Tuesday. If you're not going to stay home, go to your favorite taqueria and get your favorite tacos or whatever Mexican food you like. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.